Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to block dangerous downloads in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes while browsing the internet, you may accidentally download files that contain malware, viruses, or other harmful software. Tor browser includes a built-in protection feature that helps block dangerous downloads before they can harm your system. So let's get us started. First, open Tor browser and then click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to find the security section. Under that, you will find a checkbox that says block dangerous and deceptive content. Make sure this is turned on. Under that, you will find block dangerous downloads. Just check this one option. After that, you can close the settings. That's all. From now on, if you try to download a file that is suspected to be unsafe, Tor browser will block it or show you a warning message before the download starts. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep your computer safe from malware and other threats. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.